Welcome students. I hope you all are safe at home. This video is for class 6, subject Geography, chapter 7, Study of Continents South America. The previous videos you have learned about the continent of South America, its location, land, major mountains, eastern highlands, the central plains, and the coastal plains. Today we are going to study about the continent South America, part 4. Following topics will be covered in this video. The first point, resources and their utilization. Second, agriculture. Let's see the first point, resources and their utilization. South America is very rich in natural resources. It has dense forests which abound in wildlife and yield timber and other valuable products. South America's extensive grasslands with fertile soils and abundant water are suitable for growing crops and rearing animals. Minerals. In this slide, we are going to learn the important minerals of South America. South America has large deposits of minerals. The important minerals are emerald, copper, and iron ore. These resources have not been fully utilized because of dense forest, steep mountains, and lack of adequate means of transport and skilled manpower. In this slide, we are going to learn about the second point, agriculture. Agriculture refers to farming. It includes the cultivation of crops and the rearing of useful animals such as cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, horses, camels, chickens, and the ducks. A large part of South America comprises mountains, plateaus, and forests. Fertile soils suitable for cultivation are found in less than 10% of the total area, mostly in the river basins, the coastal regions, and the grasslands. Crops are mainly of two types, food crops and cash crops. What is food crops? Crops that give us food are called food crops. They include cereals, pulses, vegetables, and fruits. Food crops are grown to be eaten or to be sold. Maize, wheat, and rice are the major food crops of South America. Wheat is grown in the cool temperate grasslands or pampas of Argentina and Uruguay and also in parts of Chile. It needs a cool climate and moderate rain. Wheat is a winter crop in India. The next food crop is rice. Rice is the staple food for about half of the world's people. It grows well in a hot and rainy climate. Soils that hold water are good for this crop as the young plants need standing water. Flat alluvial plains are the best areas for growing rice. The production of wheat is so high in the Pampas that the region is often referred to as the granary of South America. Students, name the region is often referred to as the granary of South America, the Pampas. The reason is production of wheat is so high in the Pampas that the region is often referred to as the granary of South America. The next food crop is maize. Maize requires a warm climate with a moderate rainfall. Maize is native crop of South America. It is the chief food of the people living here. Other food crops of the continent are potato and manioc. Manioc is a tropical root vegetable, also known as cassava. Students, in this slide we are going to see the important cash crops of South America. What is cash crops? Some crops are grown to be sold. These crops are called cash crops or commercial crops. Cash crops are generally cultivated in large plantations. The main plantation crops of South America are coffee, cocoa, sugarcane, and banana. Coffee is a beverage crop. It needs a warmer and drier climate. It grows well on hill slopes with a well-drained soil. Brazil is the world's largest producer of coffee. Next cash crop is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a kind of tall grass. It grows well in a warm climate. Fertile, well-drained soils are good for sugarcane. Waterlogging is harmful. Cocoa. Cocoa is grown in Brazil, Ecuador, and Peru. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans. The last topic of this video is pastoral farming or animal rearing. Animal rearing is one of the most important activities of the people of South America. The extensive grasslands like those of Argentina, Brazil, and Uruguay are ideal for pastoral farming. Cattle are reared on large farms called estancias. What is an estancias? Cattle are reared on large farms called estancias. Rearing of sheep for wool and mutton is an important activity in parts of Chile and in Argentina, mainly on the eastern slopes of the Andes. The remaining part of this chapter will be continue the next video. Thank you.